Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I am going to show you how to download SIR draft list. My state is Karnataka. I am type here Karnataka. You type your state name. Okay. Now type on this official website. After this, download electoral roll option. Okay. Type on this option. After this, type on OK for open website. Now select here state Karnataka. My state is Karnataka. You select your state. Okay. My state is Karnataka. Okay, after this, now select here district. My state is Karnataka. District is Gulbarga. I'm select here district Gulbarga. You select your state and district. Okay. Now select here constituency. What is constituency is Gulbarga Uttar. Okay. After this, there is option for language. Three languages here. I'm selecting English only. Okay. After this, now type here capture. After this, tap part number here. Okay, tap on download. Now tap on open for open our draft list. Okay, now you see draft list is open. Okay, that's it.